Hi, I'm Dave from Riva Racing. In this product review, I'm going to cover our power filter kit for the 4-stroke Yamaha SuperJet. This is the stock Yamaha Airbox. As you can see, it's very large, it's very bulky, it's made out of plastic. The ECU mounts on the side, electrical components mount up front, and this rubber hose feeds back from the airbox to your throttle body. It takes up a lot of room in your engine compartment. Here's our power filter kit installed. The heart of the power filter kit is this oversized high-flow flame arrestor. It has a stainless steel element, stainless steel cap, and stainless steel base plate. And notice it's located strategically away from the hood seal, up, high and dry. Our power filter kit feeds your engine with a steady diet of unrestricted air, delivering improved acceleration and RPM. In addition to the flame arrestor, the kit includes this precision-fabricated aluminum bracket, which has mounting points for all your factory electrical components, along with the supplied engine breather catch can. The oil catch can eliminates the power-robbing crankcase vapor from your engine's air intake. It also protects your engine from potential oil hydrolock when the craft is rolled over. The catch can features a stainless steel filter element and a convenient drain valve at the base of the can. Look how clean the engine compartment looks with the power filter kit installed. The compact design leaves a lot of room to work on your engine. It looks fantastic. Thank you for watching this product review. Be sure to follow us on social media @Riva Racing for more information and new products for the new Yamaha SuperJet.